guys. So I'm about to get Chloe and Coco really good. I'm gonna do the crack your back prank on Dad. Got cool little things right here going in my mouth. Watch this. Hey girls, come here.
Yeah.
Hey, can you walk on my back, please?
Daddy says his back hurts really bad, and
Coco,
I don't
walk on
want
my
to.
back.
This is so crazy. What if she hurts you?
It's okay.
Okay, Coco, walk on the sides, not on the middle, okay? Okay.
Are you, Dad? Are you sure? I think this is a bad idea.
No, it's gonna be okay.
No, Dad, no.
Oh my God! What did you do?
I got you. It's okay.
Oh my God!
Okay.
Oh my God!
I'm sorry.